Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to remove selection locked in Microsoft Word. So the first step is to go or to open the Word document. Now, as you can see, when I try to edit or to delete something from the document, I get you can't make this change because the selection is locked error in Microsoft. So the first step or the first way is to go to File, then click on Protect Document, then disable the Mark as Final option. Now go back to your document, and here the problem has been solved. The second option or the second way is to go to the Review tab, then look for Restrict Editing in the Protect group. And in the Restrict Editing pane, click on Stop Protection at the bottom. If your document is protected with a password, enter the password in the Unprotect Documents box and press Enter. This will unlock your Word file, allowing you to edit it again. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.